Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple intro for your YouTube videos. So I'm going to download the intro maker apps from the App Store. I'm from iPhone, so you can download on a Play Store. So I already downloaded it on my iPhone, so I'm going to open it first. So here you can see a lots of intro maker, and you can go directly to the intro maker. So click on a see all button. You can click anywhere on a see all button. So then go to a simple button. You can see here simple, and then here is lots of a simple intro maker. You can see here VIP. That means you must pay for that intro. So we are not going to pay now. So I'm going to show you a simple and free intro here. So scroll down, and here is some free intro video. You can see all this here. Here is no VIP. You don't need to pay for this. Here is some simple intro. So I'm gonna click one intro here, click here, and then you have to download first. I'm going to download the 480 pixels. For the 180 pixels you have to pay for that, so I'm gonna download a simple one. And first let's watch first how it looks. Yeah, this is a simple intro. So we can edit on it. Here is some button. First is title. You can edit as you want. There may be your YouTube videos title or something else. So go to the title button, click here, and click here. You have to click a double here on a title button, and then you have to erase it. And here is I'm writing something here. You can write yourself your name or your video's name or your channel title, anything you can write here. Here is I'm writing, and then here you can change a font style. Here is font style, but it is looks like all is locked. That means you have to pay for that all, but you can find some fonts, free fonts down here. You have to scroll down. Here is some a free font. You can use this. So I'm using this font style, and then you can add here animations. Here is animation button, click on it, and here I'm going to choose one. So I'm going to choose fade, and here is the time durations. You can add more time. Here is only 3, I think here is 30 seconds. I'm going to increase it to the 2 second. And then I'm going to for the fade out. Here is a fade out, click on it, and you can add the next fade in out button, or you can use the same. So I'm gonna add a same, and then I'm gonna add the 2 second time durations. Then I'm going to click a done button. So let's watch how it looks first. Yeah, here it is. And then you can see the next line. Here is title. You can add your video's title, or you can add anything else. So I'm gonna click here and then double tap here and then erase it, and then you can write anything. I'm gonna write this, and then you can change font style here. So scroll down, you can get a free font style here. I'm going to use this one, and then going to animations, then choose one, fade in or fade out, and then increase your time till 2 seconds. Then go to the fade out, click here, and then you can use another animations, or you can use the same animations. So I'm going to use the same animation and increasing time, and then click on the done button. Here is, yes. And then let's go to the next button. Here is subtitle. You can write a subtitle yourself as you want. I'm gonna write one thing here. Okay, and then you can choose font style. I think I'm going to use the same one. And then you can move this box all over the videos, and you can keep these as you want, and then go to animation, and then click on a time durations, make it 2 seconds, and go to the next button and make it 2 seconds, and then click on a done button. So, and then in the last you can add a title here. I'm going to write one title, double tap right here, so I'm going to use the same font style, and going to animations, make it 2 seconds again, and then fade out, make it 2 seconds, and click on a fade. You can see here, and click on a done button. Then here is your intro. So let's watch. Okay, how to create intro videos. Yes, here's the simple intro videos. I made it. Then you can add the music on it. Here is music and sticker as you want, and sound as you want, and you can add a picture also here. And I'm going to use some music here. So here is a lot of music here. I think this is copyright free maybe. So let's do one music. Let's play this one. Then click on a plus button. Okay, then you have to click on a fade in button, fade out button, because it's like video, and then one button, and then let's watch again. And yeah, this is the simple intro videos. You can make it very easily, and you can download on an iPhone from the App Store and from the Play Store on any other mobile phones. So thank you for the watching, and please do subscribe and like my videos for the more videos.